everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to share with you unboxing and details about Geepas Air Fryer, which I use personally, and I also think checking on your calories and trying to eat healthy is important. And I am also going to make chicken masala fry in that air fryer and share with you all. Hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. This air fryer is 3.5 liters and all the functions are digital. Model number is GAF37501N and all the instructions are given in the manual. You have to slide out the pan and the basket from the air fryer to take them out. As you can see, there is a button given to disconnect and split them. The plug is made according to the international wall sockets. The digital control panel is quite easy. You have to switch it on, select the mode to choose from the cooking menu, or if you want to do it manually, then you can select the temperature, which is in degrees Celsius, and then the time. Wait for 3 seconds and the air fryer will start automatically. For making chicken masala fry, take half kg of chicken, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons of corn flour, half spoon of garam masala powder, half spoon of red color, half spoon of zeera powder, salt to taste, spoonful of curd, 1.5 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of haldi powder. Mix it well together and let it rest for half hour. Set the chicken pieces like this so they don't stick and they cook evenly. I am setting the air fryer manually on 180 degree for 17 minutes. you enjoyed this video and share in the comments below if you want more recipes in the air fryer. Thank you for watching.